Hi, I'm Ben Laidler, the global market strategist here at eToro. The S&P 500 surged 27% last year for its third straight year of good gains. We're looking for a fourth very rare year in 2022. The two key ingredients for this are: one, we think earnings forecasts improve. The consensus outlook for less than 10% earnings growth this year is far too low, with GDP growth this strong and companies having shown their ability to defend their profit margins. Secondly, we think valuations stay high. US equities on 21 times, price earnings ratio is 30% above average levels, but we think well supported by low bond yields that will rise only gradually. We do look for lower returns this year and with more volatility, so the focus is on diversification. For example, we like cheaper sectors like financials and energy and faster growing regions of the world like Europe. That's it. Invest safe. Chat soon.